Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Sunflame Energy Consultant. This is a hybrid water heater along with the solar and heat pump. So we have installed here 200 liters capacity of pressurized solar. You can see the system here along with the heat pump of 200 LPD. So what we have done here, the cold water inputs goes to the inlet of the solar water heater. Here you can find out the cold inlet, and then you can see the outlet of the system of solar water heater will go to the inlet of the heat pump. So this is the inlet, and we have given one compressor unit. This is 800 watt input power, output around 3.5 kilowatt, and this hot water outlet goes to the bathroom. So this system works at any given condition. Hot water will be provided to the end user. For more details and upgrades, do subscribe us at our channel. Thank you.